From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
A big change in the temperatures is in store for the upcoming weekend. I'm student meteorologist David Witten with a look at the unpleasant weather that is in store. We'll first take a look at the weather headlines for the rest of the week, and the big theme has been the above average temperatures, as conditions have really been on the warm side for this time of year the last couple of days. But that is going to change tomorrow, as a cold front is going to produce a lot of rain as we head through the later half of today into Friday. So things are certainly not going to be on the pleasant side, but that rain should taper off as we make our way into Saturday. However, behind that cold front, we are anticipating a chilly whiteout game for the Penn State and Ohio State game. We'll now take a look at the latest current conditions, and a live view of Nittany Valley shows mostly cloudy skies at this hour. Temperatures are on the warmer side with a current temperature of 64 degrees at this hour. The dew point is 54 degrees, and winds are currently on the calm side. We'll take a look at temperatures across the rest of the Commonwealth, and we certainly do have quite a temperature gradient, as Philadelphia is coming in at 72 degrees at this hour. Back in Pittsburgh, we have a temperature of 67 degrees, and up in Erie, we have a temperature of only 60 degrees. But notice Bradford is coming in at 54, so that is where our cold spot currently is located at. Now, if we take a look at a lighter view, notice out in the Midwest, that is really our true temperature gradient, as this is the cold air that will push into our region on Friday. And notice temperatures are only in the 40s and 50s, and that is what we are anticipating our temperatures will be as we head through the weekend. We'll take a look at the latest radar and satellite image, and currently we do have clouds building in from the southwest at this hour, but notice we also do have a lot of heavy rain that has passed to our north and west. And if we take a look at a wider view of the Ohio Valley, notice that we do have a line of showers and even some thunderstorms beginning to work its way eastward. And as we head through the later half of today, that this is the precipitation that we are expecting to begin to push into our region. We'll take a look at the future weather, that is. And as we head through the rest of the day today, we are expecting those clouds to continue to increase as that cold front begins to push in from the west. And notice by this evening that we are expecting some showers and thunderstorms to begin to increase in coverage throughout the Commonwealth. And as we progress through Thursday night, that is when some of these showers and thunderstorms could be heavy at times, especially out in the Pittsburgh area as we head through the overnight hours. But once we make our way into Friday, this is when we are expecting the best chance for precipitation over the State College area, as those lines of showers and thunderstorms will continue to push its way eastward into the eastern part of the state. And notice by Friday evening, we are expecting those showers to continue to linger throughout the entire area. But as we head into Friday night, a drying trend will begin as we start to see that northwest flow, and by Saturday morning, we could see a few breaks in the clouds. We'll now take a look at your forecast for the rest of the day today, and we are expecting things to remain on the warm side, as I previously mentioned, with a high of 71 degrees with rain developing later in the afternoon. As we head into the overnight hours, that is when we are expecting the rain to continue to increase with a low of 55 degrees. We'll take a look at your 7-day forecasts, and the big theme is the cooling trend that will take place beginning on Friday, which temperatures generally remain around the lower to mid-50s as we make our way into next week. And once we get past Saturday, that is when we are expecting the rest of the forecast to remain on the pleasant side with a mix of sun and clouds. Now, for your forecast for the whiteout game on Saturday, and this is certainly going to be a big game, we are expecting conditions to remain on the chilly side. However, I do think that rain should taper off in time for the game with a low of 44 degrees, and conditions will certainly be on the breezy side as well, as we have that flow out of the northwest. That is all that I have for today. For the Campus Weather Service, I'm student meteorologist David Witten. Have a great day.